Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into a tool that can help you level up your DIY game without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a renovation, updating a room, or just looking for smarter ways to tackle home improvement projects, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm, organize, and even problem solve like a pro. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your home improvement journey. Let's jump right in. Let's say you're redoing your living room, but you have no idea how to get started or what layout even works best. So instead of staring at a blank wall, we can ask ChatGPT to act like a professional interior designer. Then here's what we can do. My prompt right over here. So I made it very specific just so ChatGPT could understand more upon with the generated results. So I want ChatGPT to act as like an experienced interior designer. So I want like to revamp like 12 by 14 feet living room. I have a neutral gray couch, like a mid-century coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV, and I want ChatGPT to like suggest an optimal furniture layout, accent color ideas, and lighting options. I want it to feel cozy but modern. So I'll leave it up to ChatGPT with this. And so yeah, this kind of prompt sets the tone right away by describing the space, the existing pieces, and your goals. So yeah, I'm sending this off right now. Alrighty, so let's see. Okay, it's divided into sections, optimal furniture layout, the accent color ideas, okay, cozy plus modern, and oh, would you look at that? There kind of instructions for there with the living room that there would be designing. Lighting options, okay. And then natural light. Oh, there's also bonus cozy touches. Okay. So let's scroll up and see how ChatGPT would list down. Okay. Focal point orientation TV wall. Keep the wall mounted TV as your anchor. Sweet. Then couch placement. Float your neutral gray couch facing the TV. See? Describing it very specific here just to instruct you very well. Mid-century coffee table centered right in front of the couch. Sweet. Perfect. Just simple as that. Very understandable. Accent chair. Where is it? Um, 45-degree angle. All right. And there's ottoman or poof, and easily movable for guests or extra seating. See? Look at these instructions. Very, very simple, very understandable, detailed, just like I stated earlier. There's storage and style, low console or credenza, vertical storage, all right. Floating shelves or narrow bookshelves or bookcase, sorry about that. Color ideas, terracotta or burnt sienna, so on and so forth, and how to apply, artwork, area rug. Scrolling down here, lighting options, natural light, task. There we go, overhead, and bonus cozy couches. I mean, cozy touches. Sorry about that. So, you know what? Very super helpful, I must say. Then I love that it suggested everything in every place with the living room details, so you can easily visualize the room now and could even shop for specific items with this list and instructions in hand. Perfect. All right, so now you have your vision, but what about the cost? So that's where ChatGPT right here can really help you plan smart ways with the budget, that is. Whether you're a weekend warrior or hiring pros, estimating the cost keeps surprises to a minimum. So let's plug in our budgeting prompt right here. So I'll ask ChatGPT to act like a home renovation consultant. Want to redo like 12 by 14 feet living room with new paint, curtains, rug, and updated lighting, and also mainly I have a budget of 1,500. So I want ChatGPT the cost breakdown and tips to stretch the budget further. All right. So with this prompt, we're giving ChatGPT a clear goal and budget cap. It knows what to prioritize and how to allocate your spending wisely. Let's take a look at what it suggests by sending this now. Okay, just give it a moment. All right. So as you can see, it's generating a table form right here, and there are a list of tips. As you can see right here, there's the highlighted words there. Should know the important stuff, also bonus ideas. All right, so let's check right here. Okay, so the total 1,500. So the estimated cost for each of these that were needed. Paint and supplies 1,500. So the notes 2 gallons of quality paint, rollers, tape, drop cloth, under all in the same detail right here of the item, paint plus supplies, current rods. 2 panels, decorative rod, mid-range, budget-friendly designer, $200, area rug, $250, 8x10 rug, polypropylene, or yeah, something like that. Cotton blend, neutral or textured, lighting update, $300, decor accessories, $200, contingency fund 100, and DIY bonus fund 300. So what is the DIY bonus fund for here in the notes? Left over for upgrades if you DIY painting or repurpose items. So for contingency, unexpected needs like hardware, extra supplies, decor, pillows, small art pieces, plants, and lighting update, flush mount, sorry about that, or chandelier. 150 to $200 plus accent and table lamps. Okay, that totals 1,500. Tips, DIY the paint job, save 200 to 400. There we go. Budget curtains. There we go. Blackout panels from IKEA, Amazon, or Target. See, detailed suggestion. Rug sizing matters. Check Rugs USA, Wayfair, or Overstock. It would generate that. Depends on where you're living in. Smart lighting layers. Okay, the one right here highlighted, the important details for you to follow, accessories wisely, and bonus ideas, yada, yada, yada. And yep, there we go. So we got the breakdown and everything, plus it even recommended some budget saving tips here and there. And yep, that's way better than going in blind. As you can see, very detailed guide to get help out from ChatGPT. And yeah, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's talk about something that always comes up with home improvement: unexpected issues. Maybe your paint, for example, looks off under different lighting, or the rug you bought is too small. Now, for those kind of issues, for instance, you can ask ChatGPT to troubleshoot these problems like a seasoned expert. So let's run a realistic prompt like this one. So let's say I painted my living room walls like a light gray, but the color looks blue in daylight and dull at night. And I have warm LED lighting, so I would ask ChatGPT how can I fix this without repainting everything. So this kind of real world question is where ChatGPT shines. So let's see what kind of advice it offers. Okay, here we go. So here's like the solution, daylight blue fixes. Here's the list, and as for dullness at night fixes, so there are two sections here that can help out. An optional visual trick. So let's check these. So for daylight blue fixes, says add warm toned accents. So choose warm neutrals like cream, tan, rust, oatmeal, linen. So these will visually balance the cool wall tone. For artwork, opt for pieces with warm hues. Sorry about that. Think terracotta, gold, soft browns, or muted oranges, and throw pillows and blankets like earth tones. Mustard, dusty rose, and olive green work best to counter the blue cast. So, second, we use a warmer rug, warm undertones, or natural fibers. Mirror placement, hang on the mirror opposite a warm toned piece to reflect warmth. Let's scroll down for the dullness at nighttime. There are only two solutions right here, or suggestions, or recommendations, you like to call that, to help out with the fix on dullness at night. Layer the lighting. Try LED bulb like 2700K range. Dimmable bulbs. Add table floor lamps. Use accent lighting like wall sconces. Is that how you pronounce that? Oh, anyway. Or under shelf lights. String of warm fairy lights. And here is optional visual trick. If one wall still feels too blue or flat, add peel to stick wallpaper or wooden picture ledge. Okay, that's about it. So it suggested some different kinds of solutions, mainly to help out. Sorry about that. It's more so on the lighting and adjusting the color itself for the room, as far as I've noticed. So yeah, that kind of problem solving could save you from repainting the entire room. Like I told you, lighting, also with the mirror reflections and all. Yeah, so I think that's about it. From design to budgeting to troubleshooting, ChatGPT can be your virtual project partner for home improvement. So let me know in the comments what space you're working on next. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to, once again, subscribe. And if you appreciate this video, hit that like button. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.